Assalamu alaikum. This is Mubashra from the platform of Innovative Learning. Today the video is about punctuation. Firstly, we will define punctuation and then further we will elaborate different punctuation marks. In English grammar, it is very important to know that where and what kind of punctuation mark is required. So let's see the first slide regarding punctuation. Let's see the definition of punctuation. Punctuation marks are the signs that show pauses to divide the sentence and phrases to clarify their meanings. Here are some punctuation marks: full stop or period, next in order is comma, then colon, semicolon, question mark, quotation marks, hyphen, dash, exclamation mark, in parenthesis. Parenthesis mean round brackets. Next punctuation mark is full stop. The full stop is used to end a simple or negative sentence. For example, it is hot today. The full stop is used in abbreviations. For example, AM in PM. Here we have used the full stop after the word A and then M, and then again in the next example after the word P and then after the word M. So this is the example of full stop. Next punctuation mark is comma. The comma is used to separate one word or part of sentence from the rest, but it is not used before and. For example, Usma, Alia, Kiran and Noor are friends. Next is colon. The colon is used to introduce a list of items. For example, please give me the following articles: a chair, a desk, a bed, and a lamp. Next punctuation mark is semicolon. The semicolon is used to separate parts of a sentence in place of a comma to mark a little longer pause but shorter than a full stop. For example, call me tomorrow. I will give you the list. Next is question mark. Question mark is placed at the end of sentences which ask question. हम sentences के लास्ट पे question mark यूज़ करते हैं which denote that this is an interrogative sentence. For example, how old are you? Here we have put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Next in order is quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to enclose words, phrases and sentences which are the actual words spoken. Basically जब हमें as it is किसी की बात को बताना होता है then we use quotation marks. For example, he said you must go away at once. So here we have used quotation marks before you and at the end of the sentence. So this is the example of quotation marks. Next is hyphen. Hyphen is used to link compound words. हाइफन को कंपाउंड वर्ड्स को जोड़ने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. कंपाउंड वर्ड्स ऐसे वर्ड्स को कहा जाता है जिनकी इंडिविजुअल इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंस होती है, जिनका अपना एक मीनिंग होता है, लेकिन जब हम डिफरेंट वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करते हैं तो वो एक कंपाउंड वर्ड बन जाता है जिसका एक सेपरेट मीनिंग बनता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, पिक मी अप. हेयर इन दिस एग्ज़ाम्पल इन तीनों वर्ड्स का पिक, मी एंड अप का अपना इंडिविजुअल मीनिंग है, लेकिन जब हमने इनको आपस में लिंक किया हाइफन के ज़रिए तो ये कंपाउंड वर्ड बन गया. सेम, मदर इन लॉ. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ हाइफन. नेक्स्ट पंक्चुएशन मार्क इज डैश. डैश इज़ यूज्ड समटाइम्स इंस्टेड ऑफ अ कॉलन और अ सेमी कॉलन. समटाइम्स हम कॉलन या सेमी कॉलन की जगह पे डैश का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, क्विक, गो नाउ, द प्लेस इज़ कमिंग. In the second example, she looked at the dresses, dash, a few of them. Then again we have put dash here, deciding on the one she should buy. Next is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used to express strong feelings, emotions, surprise, shock, and anger. It is commonly used after interjections are exclamations. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. Here we have used the exclamation mark after the word hurrah. And then in the second example, shut up, get out of the room. Here we have used the exclamation mark after the word shut up. So these are the examples of exclamation mark. Next punctuation mark is parenthesis. Parenthesis is a pair of round brackets used to mark off and extra information or a comment from the rest of a sentence. For example, we need doctors who can treat the patients, care them, and handle complaints. This is the example of parenthesis. Next punctuation mark is ellipsis. Ellipsis is a series of 3 dots which indicate a pause or silence or is used when a sentence is left incomplete. For example, Fatma, well, I was going to do my homework, but it is also used at the end of the sentence. Let's see the examples of ellipsis when we use them at the end of the sentence because the sentence is left incomplete. Nice job. Well, that's really good. So these are the examples of ellipsis. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video. Thank you.